Have you ever wondered how long it takes to transfer money using Airwallex? It's a question that's been on the minds of many, especially those who rely on cross-border payments for their businesses or personal needs. Imagine this scenario. You're closing a big deal and need the funds transferred immediately. You're sitting on the edge of your seat, refreshing your screen every few seconds, hoping the transaction goes through. But how long do you really have to wait? Airwallex, a global financial infrastructure platform, has gained popularity for its fast and efficient money transfer services. But is it truly as fast as they claim? In this video, we'll dive deep into Airwallex's transfer speeds and factors that can influence them. Understanding transfer speeds. Real-time transfers. Airwallex offers real-time transfers for many currencies, meaning your money can arrive instantly or within a few minutes. Batch transfers. For larger amounts or multiple recipients, Airwallex may use batch processing, which can take a bit longer. Currency conversion. If you're transferring money between different currencies, the conversion process can add a few minutes to the transaction time. Factors affecting transfer speed. Verification. To ensure security, Airwallex may need to verify your identity or the recipient's information, which can slightly delay the transfer. Bank processing times. Even after Airwallex has processed the transfer, it may still take some time for the funds to reach the recipient's bank account, depending on the bank's processing speed. Regulatory requirements. In certain jurisdictions, there may be additional regulatory requirements that can affect transfer times. Case studies. Personal experience. Share your own experience or testimonials from others who have used Airwallex for transfers. Highlight the speed of the transfer and any challenges or delays encountered. Business case. Discuss how Airwallex has helped businesses streamline their payment processes and improve cash flow. Share examples of businesses that have benefited from the platform's fast transfer speeds. Comparison with other providers. Compare Airwallex's transfer speeds to other popular money transfer services. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of each platform. Cost analysis. Consider the fees associated with using Airwallex and compare them to other providers. Are the faster transfer speeds worth the additional cost? So, how long does a transfer take on Airwallex? The answer is, it depends. While Airwallex offers real-time transfers for many currencies, factors such as verification, bank processing times, and regulatory requirements can influence the speed. By understanding these factors and considering your specific needs, you can make an informed decision about whether Airwallex is the right choice for your money transfer needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.